The assessment confirms the engine intakes and cooling vents are completely clogged, sealed solid by corrosion and organic matter.
This section here is completely compromised.
Noted. I'm logging severe cavitation on the lower hull plating.
Hold it right there. A little more to the left.
All right, she's down. Start unhooking.
Roger that. Bringing the tools in.
All right, tensioning the hoist now. Keep clear, everyone.
Copy that. Still applying oil to the seam.
Cables are secure back here. Tension is increasing.
Steady. Keep tension on those straps. Bring it out slow.
Clear on this side. Keep coming right. Watch it down onto the rack.
The team moves to the right side, but the deterioration is severe. The idler wheel crumbles as the track tension is finally released.
All right, take the tension up slowly. Tension coming up. Watch the left side. Clear on the left.
This torsion bar is heavily corroded.
Scrap it.
The next one looks salvageable.
Restoring these suspension arms requires precision. Bushings are pressed, corrosion is brushed away, and new shock absorbers are fitted. Crew members work in sequence. Links are sandblasted, inspected, and fitted with new pins and pads before final organization.
All right, guide it slowly into the mount. Almost there, just clear that line. Hold it steady.
Despite the heavy corrosion, these main gears are salvageable. After sandblasting the case, we're ready to install.
Here we see the new hydraulic lines being meticulously routed through the hull. Each fitting is tightened with a torque wrench to ensure professional installation.
Alignment looks good. Securing the door now. Racks locked in place. Panels checked and secure. System operational. All right, slide it on. It's seated. Pass me the wrench.
Lower the hoist slowly.
Guide it onto the road wheels.
Initiate tensioning sequence now. Make it taut.
Tension it up. All right, tension it up. Engaged. It's holding steady now. Align the rear section now. Hold it steady right there. Torque wrench ready on the lower bracket bolts.
Guiding it into the bay now.
All right, slowly down. Watch the starboard mounts. Looks aligned, steady as she goes.
The engine deck panels are carefully positioned and aligned.
The upgraded fire control computer and thermal sight are installed, bringing the gunner's station fully online with modern electronic precision.
Hold it steady, engaging the collar now. Steady. Torque applied, check the connections, confirm green.
All
right, bring it down slow. Watch that port side gap.
Slowing descent.
Keep coming, keep coming. Looks good. Seated. Beginning rotation now. Smooth travel confirmed.
Systems check green.
And stop. Right on the mark.
Ready on the bustle. Tightening now.
Glasses cables are secured.
Initiating system cycle test. Engaging breaker 4 now.
Breaker engaged, status light is green, voltage verified and stable, marking complete.
Pressure holding steady at 5,000.
Elevation mechanism cycling nominal. Rotation check initiated.
Rotation verified. Systems are green.
All clear on the starboard side.
Driver, confirm controls check complete.
Controls checked. Ready for start.
Temperatures are holding steady. Thumbs up, boss. She runs like new.